Guys, electric scooter ba ang hanap nyo? Mula sa TVS Philippines, introducing ang iQube Electric Scooter. Ang TVS iQube Electric Scooter is electric scooter na gawa ng TVS Motor Company, a renowned Indian two-wheeler manufacturer. At syempre, andito ang features at specification ng isang TVS iQube Electric Scooter. Syempre, pagdating sa design, panalo ang TVS iQube. Sa kanyang sports and sleek modern design suitable sa mga urban commuting. At syempre features niya rin yung sharp lines, LED lighting at ang digital instrument cluster. The iQube is powered by 4.1 kilowatt electric motor coupled with a lithium-ion battery pack with claim range of around 75 kilometers sa isang full charge. Syempre smooth ang kanyang acceleration at tamang-tama siya sa mga city driving. Ang iQube electric scooter ay merong top speed na 78 kilometers per hour. So depende na rin yan sa skills nyo. Pagdating naman sa charging ng iQube Sport Fast Charging, which can charge the battery from 80% in around 2 hours. Siyempre, ang full charge niya typically around 5 oras yan. Ang iQube comes with equipped features like Bluetooth connectivity, kung saan pwede mong i-connect ang iyong cellphone. Siyempre, may call assist, drive assist, any assist na pwede mong makuha dyan sa features ng connectivity ng iQube Electric Scooter. Pagdating naman sa under seat storage, dalawang helmet, kasya dahil 32 liters ang capacity niya. Meron din siyang USB charger sa lalim ng upuan. Merong 4 na kulay na pwede mong pagpilian. Yan ay ang gray, silver, red, at yellow. Kung meron ka pang mga katanungan, just put your comment below at I will try my best na mabigyan ka ng tamang kasagutan. That's it for now. Presenting the TVS iQube Electric Scooter.